Maintenance for the hydroponic system includes checking the electrical conductivity, pH and temperature of the nutrient solution. For the deep flow technique system, we can check the electrical conductivity directly on the nutrient solution flowing in the gutter. For drip irrigation systems that use substrates, in addition to checking the condition of the solution, it is also necessary to check the drip hose to prevent clogging. Improper nutrient solution conditions can cause plant death. The plant maintenance is carried out according to the needs of each plant type. Example, for celery, we can remove the old leaves to maintain its growth. While for melon hydroponic, we can do leaf, flower and fruit thinning as well as pest and disease control to get optimal yields.